Jaws? No, just a gentle giant. Sharks? Just the word sends shivers down your spine, right? We think of sharp teeth and powerful jaws, but hold on, not all sharks fit that scary image. Meet the basking shark, a gentle giant of the ocean. These guys are huge. Imagine a school bus, but swimming. That's how big a basking shark can get, over 30 feet long. Don't worry, they wouldn't dream of nibbling on you. They much prefer tiny snacks. More on that later. Those tiny teeth aren't for biting you, they're filter feeders. Now, you might think a creature this big needs a serious meal, but basking sharks are all about the little things in life, literally. They eat microscopic animals called plankton. No need for big teeth when your food is practically invisible. Ever seen a basking shark near the surface? They're often mistaken for sunbathers, hence the name, but they're actually hard at work, gulping down gallons of water. Here's the cool part. Inside their giant mouths are rows and rows of bristle-like structures called gill rakers. Think of them like a giant sieve. As water flows through, the gill rakers trap the tiny plankton, providing a tasty meal for our gentle giant. This feeding method is called filter feeding. It's like using a net to catch a whole bunch of tiny fish, except the net is inside the shark's mouth. Next time you see a basking shark cruising with its mouth open, remember, it's not yawning, it's just having dinner. Basking sharks might be slow swimmers, but they're true globetrotters. They can be found in oceans all over the world, from the chilly waters of the Arctic to the more temperate zones. These guys are always on the move, following their favorite food plankton blooms. That means they migrate some serious distances. Imagine swimming thousands of miles just for a good meal. One of the most amazing things about basking sharks is their skeleton. Unlike most sharks, theirs is made of cartilage, the same stuff that's in your ears and nose. This makes them incredibly flexible and helps them navigate the vast ocean currents. And let's not forget those giant gills. They need to be big to filter all that water. In fact, a basking shark's gills are so large they could easily filter a swimming pool in an hour. You wouldn't believe it, but these gentle giants can jump. Yep, sometimes they launch their massive bodies clear out of the water. Scientists aren't entirely sure why they do this. Maybe it's a way to communicate, get rid of parasites, or just for fun. Sadly, these amazing creatures face threats from humans. In the past, they were hunted for their liver oil and fins. Today, they can get tangled in fishing gear or hit by boats. The good news is that many countries are now working hard to protect basking sharks. They are listed as endangered or threatened in several areas, and there are strict rules about fishing for them. So next time you hear the word shark, don't automatically picture sharp teeth and menacing jaws. Remember the basking shark, a gentle giant that reminds us not all sharks are out to get us. These amazing creatures deserve our respect, awe, and protection. Let's work together to ensure these gentle giants continue to grace our oceans for generations to come.